Welcome to Practice Better. In this video, we will go over creating custom payment plans for your clients. Custom payment plans are a great way for you to set up unique automatic payment options for your clients. Unlike regular payment plans, which are attached to your services, packages, or programs, custom payment plans can be used with or without an associated booking. You can create a custom payment plan in two ways. First, go to the Billing and Payments section of your client's record. Under the Payment Plan tab, select the red Fast Action button and click Create Payment Plan. Or you can go to My Practice, Billing and Payments. Under the Payment Plans tab, select the red Fast Action button and then click Create Payment Plan. After you select Create Payment Plan, if you are on the team plan, you will be prompted to select the practitioner that the payment plan is being created under and then the corresponding client. On the payment plan creation page, you can change the automation name, set a description, and choose how you would like to process payment. For example, you can choose to charge the card if available option, which will automatically process the installment payment if your client's billing information has been saved. If your client's billing information is not on file, Practice Better will opt to send your client an invoice, which they can then pay. If this payment plan is associated with an existing service, package, or program, you can link it here. If previous payments were made towards this offering, you will see the option of applying previous payments to the payment plan here. This will deduct from your starting balance. Under Installment Payments, you can choose a few different ways to set up the payment plan. You can choose to collect installments for an existing balance. This will allow you to set a starting balance and installment payments. If you have an existing tax rate, it will auto-populate, or you can add an applicable tax rate here as well. If you want to collect ongoing installments for a recurring payment like a monthly subscription, you can enter in the installment payment amount, and then the monthly installments will be scheduled indefinitely. Or you can collect a fixed amount of installments. For a fixed amount of installments, you will need to set the installment payment amount. This installment option can be used for a fixed number of monthly client subscriptions like 6 or 12 months. Lastly, you can set up your installment schedule and choose between daily, weekly, and monthly installment options. You can also choose how often you would like these to repeat. You can then adjust the payment plan start date as well as the start time. Also, you can set your installments to repeat by the day of the month or by the day of the week. Let's create a payment plan for an existing balance. You will need to first enter your starting balance amount and then your installment payment amount. Once done, you can preview the installment schedule before creating the payment plan for your client. After selecting the Create button, you will see a pop-up that will give you the option to send a notification to your client regarding their new payment plan. Once the payment plan is created, the client will be automatically charged based on the schedule you have set. If a payment fails for any reason, you will receive a notification to let you know. If you need to change the date a payment plan installment will be collected on, or skip an installment payment, you can go to the Payment Plan section within your client's Billing and Payments section. From here, click View next to the payment plan, and then click the three dots next to the installment payment and select the applicable options. This concludes this video on creating a custom payment plan. Please check out our Help Center for more information and details.